Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, MsFinalKillCam, bringing you my very first video commentary because majority of you have mentioned to my husband that how come I don't do my own videos, how come I don't do my own thing. So we finally took in consideration and decided, you know, hey, why not make your own video, see how it comes out. So here I am, I'm actually doing my very first video and playing on the matchup grind, trying to get the warship. Since I barely started playing this game all over again, I had to do a complete new profile and everything and try to rank up and get everything that I need. I wanted to do a swarm, but I can't do it yet, of course. Great news, by the way. I will be having a YouTube banner and a watermark made by Hutch Design. And P7 switching to the Peacekeeper, running back to kill the enemy, taking the flag. Gonna let the gameplay roll, but before I go, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who has subscribed to the channel and also follow me on Twitter. And which is kind of crazy is coming from somebody who's never done this sort of type of thing to have 100 subscribers. Till my next video, stay vigilant. MsFinalKillCam. Lights, camera, kill. Adios.
Approaching target area. VTOL Warship on standby. VTOL Warship inbound. Vulcan 1-1 is wheeled up over. Friendly UAV inbound. Good hits. Approved for immediate re-attack. Reconfirmed. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Care package inbound. Losing Bravo.